Hey everyone, welcome to Python course. To get started with Python, you need Python interpreter and a code editor. To install Python, you can go to python.org, then you can navigate to download. Here you will see the latest version of Python. So right now it's Python 3.13. If you have a Mac, you can go ahead and click on it and download it. Or if you have Windows, just click on Windows and you can select any of these according to your system requirement. If you are installing on Windows, make sure to check this box. And once you have installed it, you can navigate to terminal and check the Python version that has been installed. So on Mac, you have to write something like this, Python 3 hyphen version, and here you can see it is telling me the Python version. But if you are using Windows, in the command prompt you need to write something like this, Python dash version, and then you will get the installed version. With this you'll be set with your Python interpreter, and then you have to download a code editor. I would recommend VS Code. You can navigate to code.visualstudio.com and then go to downloads, and again here as per your system requirement you can download the respective version and follow the installation instructions in order to complete the installation. Once you're done with these two steps, go ahead and open your VS Code. In your VS Code, navigate to extensions and then search for code runner and install one of these VS Code runners. I have installed this one, so you can go ahead and install this one as well. Once you're done, navigate to your Explorer folder. So to get started, you need to select a folder. Now you can go ahead and create a file. You can give any name, but give the extension as .py and then test it out real quick. And after installing the code runner extension, you will see a run button over here. So just click on that and you can see that the program is running perfectly fine. So this is all you have to do in order to get started. I'll see you in the next one.